Have you ever wondered how some online stores can offer such a vast product range without ever holding any inventory? The answer lies in a business model called dropshipping. Today, we're going to dive deep into what dropshipping by Modalyst entails and how it can be a game changer for your online business. Imagine you want to start an online store selling trendy clothing. The traditional route would be to purchase a large quantity of clothes up front, store them in a warehouse, and ship them out to customers when they place an order. This can be a significant financial burden, especially for new businesses. That's where dropshipping comes in. What is dropshipping? In essence, dropshipping is a business model where you sell products without ever handling or storing them. When a customer places an order on your online store, you purchase the product from a third-party supplier, like Modalyst, and have them ship it directly to your customer. You essentially act as the middleman connecting customers with suppliers. Why dropshipping by Modalyst? Modalyst is a popular dropshipping platform that offers a wide range of products from various suppliers. Here's why it's a great choice for dropshippers. Vast product catalog. Modalyst provides access to a massive catalog of products, including clothing, accessories, home goods, and more. This means you can offer a diverse range of products to your customers without having to source them individually. Supplier network. Modalyst has a network of trusted suppliers who handle the production, packaging, and shipping of products. This eliminates the need for you to worry about logistics and inventory management. Automation. Modalyst offers automation features that streamline the dropshipping process. For example, you can automatically import products from their catalog into your online store, sync inventory levels, and process orders. Quality control. Modalyst has quality control measures in place to ensure that the products you sell meet certain standards. This helps protect your brand's reputation. How does dropshipping by Modalyst work? Create an account. The first step is to create a Modalyst account. This will give you access to their product catalog and supplier network. Choose products. Browse through Modalyst's catalog and select the products you want to sell. You can filter products by category, price, and other criteria. Import products. Once you've chosen your products, you can import them directly into your online store. Modalyst offers integrations with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce. Market your store. Promote your online store through various marketing channels to attract customers. This can include social media, search engine optimization, SEO, and paid advertising. Fulfill orders. When a customer places an order on your store, Modalyst will automatically purchase the product from the supplier and ship it directly to your customer. You'll receive a commission on each sale. Benefits of dropshipping by Modalyst. Low startup costs. Dropshipping requires minimal upfront investment compared to traditional retail. You don't need to purchase inventory or rent a warehouse. Flexible business model. You can easily add or remove products from your store based on customer demand. This gives you flexibility and allows you to adapt to changing trends. Scalability. Dropshipping can be scaled up or down to meet your business goals. You can start small and gradually expand your product range and customer base. Global reach. With dropshipping, you can sell your products to customers worldwide without having to worry about shipping logistics. Challenges of dropshipping by Modalyst. While dropshipping offers many benefits, it's important to be aware of the potential challenges. Profit margins. Competition in the dropshipping market can be fierce, which can affect profit margins. It's essential to carefully consider pricing and product selection to ensure profitability. Shipping times. Shipping times can vary depending on the supplier's location and the shipping method used. This can impact customer satisfaction if delivery times are too long. Customer service. As the middleman, you're responsible for handling customer inquiries and resolving issues. This can be time-consuming, especially if you have a large number of customers. Tips for success in dropshipping by Modalyst. Niche down. Instead of trying to sell a wide range of products, consider focusing on a specific niche. This can help you attract a targeted audience and build a loyal customer base. Build a brand. Develop a strong brand identity to differentiate yourself from competitors. This includes creating a unique logo, website design, and marketing materials. Provide excellent customer service. Respond promptly to customer inquiries and address their concerns. Positive customer experiences can lead to repeat business and referrals. Continuously improve. Stay updated on industry trends and explore new opportunities. Regularly evaluate your business performance and make necessary adjustments. Dropshipping by Modalyst offers a convenient and accessible way to start an online business. By leveraging the vast product catalog, supplier network, and automation features provided by Modalyst, you can create a successful online store without the need for significant upfront investment. However, it's important to be aware of the challenges and take steps to overcome them. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.